Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda VTX1300S. This is the one with the spoke wheels, long flowing fenders, beautiful classic look, lots of chrome. It's got the front running lights and a nice big touring windscreen, liquid cooled VTwin shaft drive. Wait till you hear that awesome Vance and Hines or Cobra exhaust system. It's got the passenger backrest, floorboards, saddlebags. It's got the heel toe shifter. Come on by, get your big bore 1300cc cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous VTX, only $54.99, 27,000 miles. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.